In this walkthrough, I will show you how fleet management works. Fleet records are important because the same vehicle data appears across rental creation, public website cards, request forms, calendar availability, and evidence packets. Use Add Vehicle for one vehicle at a time. Add a clear label, plate, state, year, make, model, VIN when available, home location, and public-facing notes. Add public daily and weekly rates when the operator wants those prices shown on a partner website. The website can show either starting at or a fixed price, depending on how the operator wants to present pricing. Use document slots and health fields for private operator records such as registration, service dates, insurance records, tow destinations, inspection notes, and maintenance reminders. For larger operators, use CSV import to onboard many vehicles faster. Then use the fleet calendar to see availability, booked windows, holds, maintenance, and block time. That is fleet setup. Add accurate vehicle data once, then reuse it across the operating system and the public website.